Hi, I'm Miss Thomas and I'm going to be your online instructor for our kindergarten class this year. So a little bit about myself. This is my third year teaching kindergarten, but this will be my first time teaching an online class. So don't worry if you're nervous. It's new for me this year too. We'll get through it step by step together. Some other things about myself. I just got married this summer, and my husband and I have an adorable golden doodle puppy we love named Toby. I graduated from The Ohio State University, and I'm working on getting my master's at Fort Hays State University. My husband and I also just recently bought a house, so we're really excited to have a big backyard for our dog to play in. And let's see, 3 fun facts about me. 1, I love to run in my free time. 2, I love to read books. And 3, my favorite color is pink. So that's a little bit about me. So now I would love to get to know a little bit more about you. So how I would like you to do this is in the previous video, we have talked about going on to screencast-o-matic.com, which is what I'm using right now to introduce myself to you. So you're going to go to that website, and if you need any help with this, there is also a step-by-step guide instruction on our course page that'll take you through it step by step with directions, or you can email me as well. But once you go to Screencast-O-Matic, it's pretty simple. You're just going to hit the record button, and all I want you to do is tell us your name and then 3 fun facts about yourself. It can be anything you want, something you like to do, your favorite color, what your favorite subject is, what you're most excited about to learn in kindergarten, anything at all. So after you've done that, you're going to hit the little stop button. And once you've hit stop, it'll pop up if you would like to upload the video. And you're going to hit yes and upload it. And then you will just copy and paste it to our Google. And then we'll all be able to get to know a little bit more about each other. And then once you've uploaded it, if you can go through and look at 3 other classmates' videos and just click the like button or click on it if you have seen the video for me, or maybe if you just want to write hi at the bottom so I know that you've been watching. Thanks, and if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to class with all of you.